Model 2018 Iveco Daily 35S12H1545 with B3520 needs injector MISFIRE ULEZ Euro 6. Body white, panel van. Mileage 133,581. MOT the 24th of August 2024. Engine 2287 cc F1 AGL 411 HC. Transmission 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs with a MISFIRE. Needs injector replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Check engine light on dash grin. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean.